How to use the UKG kit. Contents of the kit. There are 2 phonic books and a supporting audio CD. There is a cursive workbook, 1 box of sight words, a reading book, a free writing workbook, a book of stories with a supporting DVD, a book of songs with a supporting audio CD, a math workbook, and a science workbook. You have these 2 phonic books, volume 1 and 2, a cursive writing workbook, a book called First Book of Reading Fun that develops reading fluency. Fun Writing Friday develops free writing skills. There is a storybook, Tales for 5-year-olds, and a supporting DVD. A song book, Kinder Songs Book 2, and a supporting audio CD. This audio CD supports the 2 phonic books. So as you're doing these 2 books, please play the audios in this CD. There is a science workbook which is full of fun science activities and a math workbook. There is a box of sight words and a box of jumbo crayons. Phonic Book Volume 1, the cursive workbook, and my first book of reading fun should be done simultaneously. In Phonic Book Volume 1, start practicing the 3-letter words and sight words which are on page 15. The child will need 1 week to learn to read and spell all these words. At the same time, make the child practice the cursive letters which are at the beginning of the phonic book. The phonic book also contains some cursive practice. You could start this from the beginning and also practice the 3-letter and sight words on page 15. The cursive book 365 Days of Cursive Fun is a drawing book. Your child need not read any of the words here. Let your child complete half a page a day. Monitor hand movement, especially wrist movement, and monitor how your child holds the pencil or writing tool. This reading book should be started at the beginning. Do only 1 text in a month. After 3 or 4 months, you can do 2 paragraphs in a month, and after 6 months, you can do 1 paragraph a week. Start Volume 2 after you complete Volume 1. Your child may take about 4 to 6 months to complete Volume 1. Go at your child's pace. After completing Volume 1, start Volume 2. Volume 2 focuses on vocabulary building, reading and writing fluency. These skills are required when the child gets into grade 1. Fun Free Writing Fridays is a book that develops good writing skills in your child. This book should be started only after you complete Phonic Book Volume 1. Phonic Book Volume 1 gives the child all the vocabulary that is needed to do these free writing exercises. This storybook, Tales for 5-year-olds, comes with a supporting DVD. All the stories have been made into e-books and narrated for the child, and at the end of every story there are words that the child has to repeat. Go to the website cfte.in and download the storyboards for each story from the download section. Color the storyboard and narrate it to your child. Play the video and let your child watch it. After you have narrated the story 3 or 4 times to your child, let your child tell you the story. This book of songs comes with a supporting audio CD. These songs will develop good pronunciation and intonation in your child. Play the songs and dance with your child. Encourage your child to sing along with you. This math workbook gives your child a good foundation in preschool math. Go page by page and plan for hands-on activities for each exercise. Use things that are available in the house to do real-time hands-on activities for addition, subtraction, skip counting, backward counting, etc. Teach your child the multiplication tables 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 10 in the form of dance and song. This science workbook is an activity book. It has a lot of fun science activities. Let your child explore the wonderful world of nature. Take your child outside to observe trees, flowers, birds, insects, things in the sky, etc. Do the activities that are described in the book. These fun activities will encourage the budding scientist in your child. Useful preschool guides and templates are available at the CFTE website. Go to cfte.in, go to downloads in the menu. You will find storyboards, number counting charts, flashcards, and a lot more things. Please make use of all this when you're teaching your child. Thank you.